This is the beautiful town of Killin. But the last time I was here, 48 hours later, I was admitted to hospital for 5 days. But before I tell you about that, let me show you around Killin. Hi guys, I'm Sean Brett, and this is my travel life. There's no denying that Killin is a beautiful place with its quainty little houses, its shops and pubs, and its falls, the Falls of Docharts, however you pronounce it. I pronounce everything wrong in Scotland. But for you guys that want to know how I ended up in hospital just 2 days after visiting here last time, well, it may or may not have been linked to the fact I went kayaking and swallowed a lot of water. I ended up with an infection in the throat, which caused me to be in hospital for 5 days, which was mad. But anyway, I'm going to show you what it was like to kayak, because that was really good fun. Maybe not worth the infection, but really good fun. Just don't drink the water if you go kayaking, okay? So we hired a kayak from the outdoor centre, which is just there, and I believe it's quite a reasonable price. It's about an hour for 20 for a double or something like that. I can't remember exactly. So we started our journey off here at this river. Oh. Then we got stuck. So we got out and pulled the boat. Yeah, the mud was like up to our ankles for most of it. And then randomly it got up to my waist. It was like tripping over in water. So as I got up to my waist, I fell over and took a mouthful of water. I'm knackered. Walking through mud, not fun. Oh, right, let's put this away before I drown. Apart from that though, it was a really good kayaking journey. Anyway, that's Killin. Thanks for watching guys. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure you check out other videos on this channel. Why not watch Cranlarrick, which is just down the road. That's so cheesy. Yeah, I did a video on Cranlarrick that's just down the road from Killin. So if you like this video, then check that one out. It makes sense. Alright, thanks guys, and I will see you again soon.